CrowdStrike Falcon explained US cybersecurity for 2025. So CrowdStrike Falcon is a unified AI native cybersecurity platform that delivers endpoint protection, identity security, vulnerability, exposure management, and SIEM all from a single lightweight agent. So let's talk about the pros. It offers AI-driven risk prioritizations. The Falcon now includes the network vulnerability access powered by AI, allowing US security teams to identify and prioritize the most critical risk across network devices without extra scanners or agents. It also has an agentic security platform. It also offers unified identity protection and privilege access. It also offers phishing-resistant MFA, and a single lightweight agent architecture is very handy. It also has an AI native security graph and a coverage of AI attack surfaces. Now the cons though, it can be complex for deployment. It also has a higher cost. There are also some resource demanding, and it may be emerging some risk with each update. So overall, it is one of the most advanced cybersecurity platforms for US businesses in 2025. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications